To achieve a professional finish on your deck, follow these steps. Step 1. High-pressure washing. Start by thoroughly cleaning the deck using a high-pressure washer. This will remove dirt, grime, and old paint or stains, ensuring that the surface is clean and ready for painting. Allow the deck to dry completely before moving to the next step. Step 2. Light sanding. Next, lightly sand the entire surface. This will help to smooth out any rough spots and provide better adhesion for the new paint. Be sure to sand in the direction of the wood grain, and remove any dust afterward using a broom or cloth. Step 3. Cutting the edges. Before rolling out the paint, cut in around the edges of the deck, including the corners, railings, and stairs, using a quality brush. This ensures clean, sharp lines and prevents the roller from touching areas you don't want painted. Step 4. Applying paint with a roller. Now, it's time to apply the paint. Use a high-quality roller for a smooth and even finish. Start at one corner and work your way across, applying the paint in long, consistent strokes. Be sure to work in small sections, keeping the paint wet to avoid lines or streaks. Step 5. Let it dry and apply a second coat. Once the first coat is dry, apply a second coat for enhanced durability and a uniform finish.